With 21 months left till the last day, the sun's solar activity will ultimately be responsible for the end of the world as we currently know it and have known it for the last couple hundred years on this planet. Recently, a solar flare, X-19 class, jumped off of the sun. Luckily, it was not Earth-facing, but nonetheless had an effect on our planet with a massive 7.5 earthquake in Indonesia, as well as affecting the airline systems for the FAA. The media will refuse to admit that this is the causation, but it is the truth. As well, the solar activity and the ionization of the atmosphere is responsible for the Pacific atmospheric river. Get right with God. You've been warned.